Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you one more thrift flip. As you can see me wearing this extra large tie and dye pullover. Actually, I purchased this dress from an export market in a very cheap price. So I wanted to transform this into a different one. So let's get started. So first, from the wrong side of your fabric, you need to remove the stitches along with the interlock or cut it off. So after removing all the stitches, I'm getting these two parts. One is from the front side and one is from the back side. And these two large sleeves. So whatever my design is, according to that, I made all the marks. So this is the bottom part I'm doing. This is the front side of my bottom. Cut off the fabric. Now I'm placing the front side of my bottom on the back side, keeping some extra fabric to attach the zipper on the back side. Now I'll cut it off. So after cutting the bottom, I mean the skirt, I'm getting this leftover fabric. But these fabrics are very important because it's a DIY and it's a thrift flip. I mean to say that there won't be any leftover. Every inches of the fabric is important. Like this, I'll attach the belt on the top of my skirt, both the sides, with two folds like this. Because it was extra large, so I'm getting these two large sleeves. Same way, I will remove all the stitches and then I will get this much of fabric for both the sides. So one sleeve will be the front side of my top and the other one will be the back. I'm gonna make a tube kind of a top because the fabric is stretchable. It is very comfortable. It's time to sew now. I'll show you after done stitching. It's time to reveal now.